Today's adventure, the Roanoke Star. Welcome everyone to another episode of Adventure Wednesday. Today we're still in the South, but more specifically we're on Mill Mountain in Roanoke, Virginia. We're here today to check out the Lone Star and also a couple other spots on top of this mountain. Anyways, let's get out of the truck and have a look around. Alright, so at the Star here, there is what's called the Star Cam, and if you go online to the website, you'll see a live image of us. I don't know if you can see on the phone with the screen, but I'll do a screenshot of it. Anyways, let's head off down the mountain and to our next spot. And here we are at the Gum Spring Overlook, part of the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is also connected through Mill Mountain. But that is going to do it for today's episode. Thank you guys very much for watching. Stay tuned next week to see where we go from here. Peace.